You really want to speak naturally better English, but you are still worrying about there is no one to practice your English with you? Then don't worry, guys. I will tell you top 3 techniques that will make you fluent instantly. And here is the best part. You can practice or you can use this technique alone and you can speak excellent English. So, friends, my name is Suresh, and every week I upload a video on my Suresh Talks English channel. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe it. And if possible, share with your friends. That will be a huge help for me. Friend, first technique is that speaking on a random topic. Choose any random topic and just go to your room, stand in front of the mirror, and speak on the topic for 5 minutes. Yes, you had me correct. Choose any topic, pick any topic or any question, right? Intermediate or any level of topic, and speak at least for 5 minutes, right? It doesn't matter you are speaking correct English or wrong English, or and it doesn't matter you are explaining it in correct way or not. What really matters is that speaking out, practicing is more important, right? You may say that I don't have English knowledge, I don't know how to frame the sentences. It doesn't matter. What really matters is that speaking out. Even if you know little bit of English knowledge, with that knowledge speak out, right? Say words even though it doesn't seems grammatically correct. Speak out, right? So if you do this for 10 to 15 days, then you are familiar with this English language, and over the period of time you will improve your English. You will come to know how to frame these sentences in English. Yes, trust me, don't focus on the grammar rules, just focus on speaking out, right? Practicing English is much important than focusing on grammar rules, right? This is the one technique. And second technique is that there are many AI chatbot. Yes, there are many AI chatbots. If you really want to speak with them, just go ahead. There is ChatGPT, there is a Google Gemini. Use any one of them and have a beautiful conversation with that. I still use Google Gemini and ChatGPT to practice my English, right? So you can give a prompt to ChatGPT, like act as my speaking partner and ask me random questions, and I can speak on that questions. It will ask you questions. It will give you topics. It will put some questions to you. You can really speak on that topic, and even you can ask feedback as well. They will provide you such a nice feedback, right? This is how you can practice your English. Here you don't need any human. You don't need any English partner. You can practice with ChatGPT. And here is the third one. This is a very impactful technique, right? This technique is, it has different one. See and say method. Yes, whatever your eye sees, just name it in English. Just describe that in English. Speak at least 2 or 3 sentences about that thing. For example, I have a mobile phone with us. With this mobile phone, I can use internet, I can use YouTube, I can scroll Instagram reels, right? And with that mobile phone, I can make a call and I can speak with my friends and family, right? I can capture a photo, I can record a video, right? See, I constructed 3 to 4 sentences, right? Here are you also same. You do the same, right? You don't need to be a perfect English speaker. What you really need is that constructing the sentences in English. If you do this, here's what really happens. When you actually start constructing the sentences in your head, you are actually training your brain and mind to think in English, right? This is a very powerful technique as well. If you train your brain and mind to think in English, then when you actually have the conversation with a real human being, you will speak naturally good English, right? You won't fumble. You don't feel you are stucking. You just go with the flow. That's how the powerful this technique is. So friend, use any one of them and stick with that and practice your English. Last one is my favorite, right? When I see my surroundings, I just describe that in English. That's how I speak and that's how I learned English, right? So I hope if you also stick with last option, last technique, that will really helps you out, right? And that brings significant results in your speaking. So yes, friends, let me know which is your favorite and which is you are adapting to practice your English. Thank you.